Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do another 2-minute tech tip and review. So I'm going to quickly do this, no cuts. So we're going to show you how to quickly and accurately gap a spark plug. So get one of these spark plug gapping tools. The problem is to set the gap, there's really wasn't a good way to do it because there is flex in the strap on the spark plug, which would throw off your gap. So screw that in there. I'm going to go 25 thousandths, so I'm actually using a feeler gauge with this. Feeler gauge. And because there's a little bit of a bounce back on the flex, it seems that the 20 thousandths feeler gauge works best. So I'd put that in there. God willing, I could do this one-handed. You screw the knob down. Let's see, got to give it a little squeeze. Let's see how well we can see that. So you see it squeezing it down until it bottoms out, so the feeler gauge is tight in there. Boom, pull it out. And it might take a little trial and error with you, go slow, but that is a 25 thousandths gap. So that's it. I hope you like this quick little tech tip. If you do, please like and subscribe. Please comment if you'd like to see more stuff like this.